Today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to make lunch with you in real time. And this is the cost of this meal. That feeds 2 people, by the way. So it's really affordable, really easy, and as you're going to find out, really quick. I'm not going to super speed or edit out the boring bits. I'm going to show you in real time how long this healthy bowl is going to take to make. You can see by the length of the video, not all that long. Lots of fibre, some plant protein, a really quick, easy lunch that you can throw together if you're working from home, or you just want a quick tea in a few minutes that you don't have to overthink, or you want to use what you've got in your cupboards because you've got Sainsbury's coming in an hour, then this is it. The only time you'll see cuts is when I'm moving the camera so you can get a better look at what I'm doing. I'm not tricking you and cutting out anything. This is going to be a real-time cooking video. Let's get to it. Okay, excuse my pan cupboard. It's an abomination. I have a family. If you know, you know. I'll preheat this while I get all my other ingredients out to a medium heat. Let's get some green lentils and some black beans. We need a sieve and a tin opener. While that pan is preheating, we'll open our lentils and beans. Now the lentils are going to give us 8 grams of protein in half a tin and nearly 6 grams of fibre, and the black beans are going to give us 8.4 grams of protein per half a tin and over 9 grams of fibre. That's some pretty good stats for beans and lentils. And the good thing about these ingredients is that they are basically ready to use out of the tin, and they're only around 50 pence a can. I do always wash the tinned beans and lentils now, as they have been sitting in there for quite a while, who knows how long. That is one full sieve, no harsh movements here. Can't do that with one hand. Let's add some olive oil to a pan. A decent glug. Just be careful if that pan has been preheated that it hasn't got too hot. The heat up times are going to be different for different pans. Now to this we're going to add some garlic, paprika and black pepper, some miso paste, and we're going to have a lovely salty, umami, rich flavour, like a meaty flavour. We have miso paste, broccoli and some coriander. Turn this down to 2 or 3. I'm going to chop some broccoli. If you had more time, I would add mushrooms, maybe some onions. But today is all about, I've got 10 minutes to make lunch. What am I going to make that's healthy and is going to sustain my energy for the rest of the afternoon? I chop that quite small. We'll get that in the pan. Oops. A little stir. Add some miso paste. A good teaspoon. Let's give that a stir in. I'm going to pop a lid on this now for a few minutes, and the steam will help to cook that broccoli so you're not eating crunchy broccoli. No one wants that. Back into the cupboard of doom for a lid. Pop that on, then turn it back up to a higher heat. Leave that for a few minutes. Time to get some spices. We have black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic. If you're feeling fancy, we will use some. Oh, look at that big one. I bought this from the farm shop, it's huge. And we'll put this one back. But if you don't have fresh garlic, then just use granulated. Have a little check on this. That's cooking lovely. The miso paste got all stuck on the back of the spoon. Now I'm going to add some paprika and some black pepper. I like loads of black pepper, but you can adjust to how much you like. Some paprika or smoked paprika, whichever you have. And another stir. Nothing's sticking today, which is good. Meanwhile, we'll get our plates, cutlery and coffee, all important, sorted. We always have coffee with our lunch. Something about the flavour with the coffee, with the semi-spicy food just is amazing. What do you drink with your lunch? These big clothes are so easy. If you're not a garlic fan, then you could add some other things instead. Maybe a few chopped spring onions, or maybe a squeeze of fresh lime or lemon, or even some from a bottle. It gives this extra layer of flavour, so it's not all just meaty salty, but you've also got like a tangy layer too. I absolutely love garlic and would put it on anything. You can chop it as finely as you want. Add our garlic to the pan. We don't want to leave the garlic in there too long, so we want to keep that vibrant taste. We already washed these as part of the washing the beans process and go straight in the recycling. Let's give the broccoli a little stab. Oh yeah, it's softening up perfectly. That's basically ready. I'm going to add just a final glug of olive oil. Turn it back down onto a low heat so it stops sticking. It's basically cooked now, you just want to keep it hot until you're ready to serve it. Kettle's done, let's make a coffee. Let's serve our lunch. I found these super cute dish bowls, if that's what you call them. They have like a reactive glaze so that each one's different. You can see one's like a green colour and one's like a browny colour. I just think they make everything look so much better. So the quantity I've cooked today is enough for 2 people, but if it's just for you, then you can keep a portion in the fridge. It'll keep for a couple of days. And my favourite way to enjoy this is with avocado on top, but sadly I don't have one today, so I'm having extra coriander. What about you? Are you a coriander hater? And there we go. As you can see from the video, it took no time at all to make this lunch, and it was all done in one pan. And this video wouldn't be complete without the addition of my chilli pot. I add these to absolutely everything. It's a bit of a faff cutting them up, but they add this little fiery tang that I just can't get enough of. You could use chilli powder or some more pepper or some hot sauce if that's your kind of thing. I hope that you're inspired to make this quick lunch, and thank you for making it to the end of the video, and let me know how long it takes you to cook this when you don't have to move a camera around every 14 seconds.